Oh yeah, definitely. If you're heading out earlier in the morning though, or later in the evening, it could be on the chilly side, no matter what you're doing, if you're going to the botanical gardens or even a football game. Right now we've got temperatures hovering in the low 70s and middle 60s in a couple of places. I've got us at 70 degrees here in Corpus Christi, and from now through the rest of tonight, we're going to drop into the lower 50s and upper 40s. So we've got clear skies, low humidity, and really light winds. All of those things come together for something called radiational cooling. That just means the earth can get rid of its heat really efficiently. So that is why we're going to end up with some of the coolest temperatures we've seen since early April. Now tomorrow afternoon, a very similar day to today, light onshore winds, a lot of sunshine, and temperatures in the 80s. So whatever kind of jacket you have, make sure you've got something comfortable on underneath it so you can still enjoy the nice weather tomorrow. Heading into the weekend, we see high pressure that was behind this front scooting over to our east, and as that happens, we're going to see more humidity coming back into the coastal bend. So still sunny and nice on Saturday, but we're going to start to notice that humidity, especially heading into Sunday and Monday. We're going to get pretty breezy and cloudy ahead of our next cold front. That looks to come in sometime on Monday and bring a scattered shower chance with this front. Now behind that, we've got cooler and drier air, and we're not necessarily going to be all that much cooler heading into Tuesday right after the front. It's once we head into Wednesday and Thursday, especially because we see colder air coming into the coastal bend. So forecast models are a little split here. One of them wants to keep a bigger low pressure to the north and just kind of emphasize some colder air coming down into the coastal bend. Another one keeps it over to the Four Corners, and when that happens, our winds flip back on shore, and then it pushes a second front into the coastal bend. Either way, no matter what way you slice it, we're gonna end up cooler from Tuesday into the end of next week. So this could be some of the coldest air that we have seen since earlier this year. So that is definitely something that I know lots of folks have been looking forward to. Heading into the tropics, we've got tropical storm Sarah, winds of 40 miles per hour. It's expected to linger near Honduras the next couple of days and eventually cross the Yucatan heading into about Monday afternoon. And at that point, the Hurricane Center pretty much giving it a 0% chance after that as of right now for it to really amount to anything once it crosses into the Gulf. It's going to move into the western Gulf around this big area of high pressure. And then here's that strong cold front coming in, and that is going to deflect it out to the eastern Gulf of Mexico. So that's nothing for us to be worrying about, just something for us to watch as it passes on by. Tonight we've got those coolest temperatures since April, getting into the lower 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, lower 80s. So it's going to be mild, but without the humidity. It's going to feel absolutely great outside the next couple of days. Heading into the weekend, Sunday and Monday, we start to get a little bit breezier. Again, that brings in that humidity, and then it gets right back out of here again as we have that next cold front. And by next Thursday, our afternoon temperatures are going to be cooler than the morning lows that we start the week with.
Wow.
Yeah.
Enjoying the fall weather for sure.
Finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
For sure. Kristin, thank you.